Hi everyone, Al here. Just doing a test in our wheat. We swathed this half just so that we have a little bit earlier stuff to do. Some early contracts to haul out. Across the road there, I don't know if you can see it, that's my best friend Coma. He's trying some wheat too. So we'll see what this tests and that'll determine if we go hard at it today or not. Okay. So yeah, this wheat originally, it was testing over 16% moisture, and the elevator, they say ideally they want it under 14.5%. They will unload a truck at 15, but they're gonna grumble a little bit. So we'll give her another try here and take a sample in and see where we're at. And today you're gonna see us harvesting some swathed wheat with our 9230 Case IH combines. The variety in this field is Hodge. And yeah, like I said, it's swathed, which isn't what we normally do. But this year we figured we'd swath a half section. That way we had some wheat to start on early and then haul in some early contracts to the elevator. Yeah, so we zero-tilled this wheat in to canola residue. And then we sprayed it pre-emerge for weeds and then one more time in crop. And we normally would spray it with growth regulator, but this year there was a lot of drought stress and growth regulator can really set the crop back in those kind of conditions. So this year we didn't bother to spray any growth regulator, but we did spray fungicide on the wheat heads. So the combines are running at kind of the high 2 miles per hour, almost 3 miles per hour. We're running 3 Case IH 9230 combines, and we got a big versatile 4-wheel drive tractor on the front of our Brent grain cart. The grain cart has an Agrimatic scale, which is nice because it automatically is recording our yield in all of our fields, and it's good for record keeping down the road, kind of to analyze statistics in the off season. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time.